Hi guys. So today you're going to be reading pages 87 through 90, and then as your reading comprehension activity, you're going to do a fun little activity called Answer in Pictures. So what you're going to do after you do the reading, or you can answer the questions as you read, they pretty much follow in order of the pages. So what you're going to do is you're going to read the question: what city was George Washington forced to flee from after a series of skillful retreats and hard-fought battles? Which the answer to that is New York City, which you'll know that once you have done the reading. But you're going to answer the question by answering in pictures. So make sure that your cursor is right here below where you want to insert the picture. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Insert, and then you're going to go to Image, and then you're going to click Search the Web, and then you're going to type in New York City. And then you'll see a whole bunch of options come up for New York City, which I don't want the map, I like the cityscape. So I'll pick this one, which your two options for you can pick it up and drag it over there, or if you like, you can just click insert. But I'm going to just drag it, and there we have it. There's the picture right there. And then you'll go on to the next one, what river to Washington, or what river did Washington, I have a typo there, and his army crossed to attack Hessian troops stationed at Trenton. And then you'll just look in your book and you'll see, oh, it's Delaware. So then you'll type in Delaware River, and then you'll have options. Okay, so if you have any trouble with any of those questions, please let me know. I'll be happy to help you. But that's just your fun little exercise for today, looking at pictures of the places you read about. Thank you. Bye.